That was probably too much. So the idea is to build a factory around this cone and have the smoke come out of the chimney. I've already built this prototype that is crappy, but shows the idea. It has a few leaks that I need to block, but you get the idea, right? So let's see if I can build a decent one. Now, I want to use the X-CARVE to build one by stacking layers of plywood, so I made this model in Fusion 360 to understand how these layers should be to form the cavity needed and connect the chimney and so on. And I want to make also a handmade one, so that's what the other model is about, in contrasting woods. So anyway, once I'm happy with the design and everything's clear, I'm splitting the model and sending it to easel via Inkscape in SVG, and then I import it, and it's just about clicking carve. While that runs, I will start working on the handmade version, and I have this beach here that will be perfect for the job. Let's check the X-CARVE while that dries. Alright, this is done, so let's check that glue up and I'll continue with this later. I'm gonna make the chimney out of this walnut that will be a very nice contrast. Now these three sides of the chimney will be tapered, but I'm going to stop after making the first one, the one that matches the factory building, because I'm going to use it as a wedge in the crosscut sled to make sure that the angle is perfect match. Now I can do the other two. Okay, while this dries, let's continue with the X-CARVE factory. Now, these factories are looking very good, but if I just put them on top of this cone, they won't work. And that is because, as in every fireplace, you need an air inlet, and they don't have it. You need that source of fresh air to keep the combustion running, and the heat generated will take the smoke up the chimney. Actually, if I just leave a small gap in the bottom, maybe like so, it works. So now, I didn't include that air inlet in the design because I had no idea how big it should be. In this case, it's a little bit tricky because we have a small heat source, so that gap, if it's too big, the smoke will just come out of the air inlet, and if it's too small, it will not have enough oxygen and will just die. So let's make those inlets. Alright, so here are both factories working. These were a lot of fun to make. This one also a lot of work. So I want to thank the X-CARVE for doing all the work for me with the other one. And thank you guys for watching.